Hi, I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper from Are You Ready Radio and the Zombie Outpost. In this segment of Tips in the Bunker, Series 3, I'm going to talk to you about this most underrated survival tool that you've probably ever seen. And maybe you've heard of these and wondered, well, are they really all that great? Well, stick around. I'll let you know. Okay, so here we go. This little survival tool right here, of course, comes with one of those little sheets that tell you everything that's on there, which I just put in here for the purposes of the demo. There's one that I've been carrying around for quite a while. Surprised I found the sheet for it. And it's got 11 or 10 tools on it. I always go for 12 because there's one other one that I'll tell you about at the end. And I keep some jute twine on here. Jute twine is great to cut a little piece off and use to start fires. So that's very handy, and that's why I have some on here. It's also decent cordage and all that when you need it. And let's dig in to what some of these little tools are. I want to start right here. We'll start with the tools that are on here. So we have our can opener. We have a knife edge right over here. This also is a screwdriver. Going around, we have a ruler on this side. Then we also have our bottle opener, church key right there. We have a 4-position wrench. So you can take multiple size nuts there. There's also the butterfly wrench, which is this thing here. If you have like one of those butterfly nuts, or wing nuts as they're called, you can use that on them. If they're really tight, you can't get a grip on it. Then here's another 2-size wrenches here for different nuts. And there is the lanyard hole, which I use just for this to put the jute twine on. And now, of course, many people wonder about this thing right here. Well, this is a direction ancillary indication. Now, what does that mean? If you have a magnetized piece of metal or even a little strip from a refrigerator magnet, cut it down so it fits in there. When you put the liquid in here on something flat, it'll float in there and it'll point north. Then you can orient this to north. And there's different markers around here. If you can see the different markers that go around it to indicate different points of direction. So it's actually a compass is what that actually means. So this is, of course, one of the most underrated survival tools ever. And I keep one in my wallet, my pocket sometimes. And again, with the jute twine around it, there we go. The saw blade is also a fish scaler, which is number 12. Well, check out all of our links, our website and all that, all of our social media. I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper from Are You Ready Radio and the Zombie Outpost. I hope that I helped you seriously think, prepare, and answer the question, are you ready? Catch you next time.